Local news for Friday the 22nd of June. North Wairarapa farmer David Buick has been named to represent New Zealand on the six-match CP Wool Shearing Sports New Zealand Tour of the UK starting later this month. May was a busy month in real estate across Wairarapa markets as the market remains buoyant. Carterton had 16 sales while South Wairarapa saw 24 sales and Masterton 57. Kiwi Rail is expected to carry out work at a rail crossing maintenance at Kura Road this weekend, meaning that road will be closed. And in sport, in this weekend's Premier Rugby, Martinborough host Ikitahuna for their Old Timers Day. Gladstone play East Coast, Master Red Star host Greytown, and Marist are at home to Carterton.